Hi and welcome. This is Ed from Antique Stoves. Today I want to talk about wood cook stoves and water heating. Wood cook stoves have been heating domestic water since roughly the 1860s. Now, modern wood cook stoves, which is what most people are going to have when it comes to installing fresh water situations. Modern wood cook stoves, North American, made in the US, can be equipped, in most instances, with a coil designed to heat a separate water tank. That would be called a range boiler. Most wood cook stoves also have the option of a water reservoir, which is a tank which rests on the side or the back of the stove and heats from connection to the stove and just sits there. Think of it like a big tea kettle. The range boiler, and that's a non-pressurized. The water reservoir is non-pressurized, cannot be pressurized. Tea kettle. The range boiler can be plumbed in with proper safety valves and proper safety precautions made in place. Can be set up in such a way so that it can be pressurized. If you don't know how to do that, find out. It's dangerous. Gallon of water turned into steam equals a stick of dynamite. Gallon of water, stick of dynamite. Do it right. If you don't know how to do it, find somebody that does. There's links on the website for information about it. Be careful. But if done right, they work really well. The water coil goes through the stove, heats a separate tank. Think of it as like a 40-gallon water tank, like a 40-gallon water heater that warms up to quite warm with a variable temperature depending upon how hot you have the stove. Most wood cook stoves are designed in such a way so that the water will circulate naturally from the stove to the tank. That's the way this should be set up. It's called a thermosiphon. Works really well. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day.